Breaking news coming in. The BJP Parliamentary Party meeting has just concluded a short while earlier. That Parliamentary Board meeting that was underway in the national capital. Remember, Prime Minister Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, as well as BJP Chief JP Nadda and the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh are holding a separate meeting at the moment. So that's the latest that is coming out of the national capital. My colleague Tejashri is joining us with more on this. Tejashri, even as BJP's Parliamentary Board meeting has concluded, there's still a separate meeting going on with the top leaders of the BJP. What is this about? Anything that we have on this meeting that is now transpiring?
Well, crucial developments unfolding after the BJP Parliamentary Board meeting concluded. What we are picking up is now Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President JP Nadda, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh are holding another round of meeting that is also said to be one of the crucial meetings. What all things are discussed that as of now the details have not emerged out, but yes, there are several things that could be discussed. Remember that from tomorrow again the parliament session is going to resume. Apart from that, yes, in the meeting, if we talk about the parliamentary board meeting of the BJP, the name of a vice president candidate who was to be finalized could be a probability that how it should be happen, in what way it could happen, that those things could be discussed. Also remember that on the other hand, we have been seeing that another issue of election commission versus the opposition, that is also sparking a lot of controversies. A number of things could be a part of this meeting as well, but all eyes will be on who will be the next vice president, who will be the candidate. And yes, we are reporting from the BJP office right now, and what we are picking up is that in any time from now, soon the senior leaders of the BJP along with the Prime Minister will be leaving here from the BJP headquarters, and the second meeting also that is underway will also end soon. Back to you.
All right, Tejashri, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you for the latest as far as details trickling out of these two meetings are concerned. Remember, BJP's Parliamentary Board meeting has concluded, but there's a separate meeting that is still going on with the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, as well as the BJP Chief in attendance. We'll keep getting you details